In this video, we are going to see how we can easily change the background of any picture using a generative fill option. So as you can see, a guy is standing next to a wall. So if we want to change this background to something else, we can easily do that. So the same generative fill option will be used. Let me just show you from the scratch. So here we are in the home tab. Let's go to the image and click on generative fill. Here we just have to upload the image. You will get this image with the resources section of this video. So let's open this up. And it has a particular background. Now, Adobe Firefly does a pretty good job in identifying the backgrounds automatically without needing to edit much. And it seems like that we want to remove the background, but we will still click on insert because we want to insert or select a different background. So let's click on insert. Here at the bottom, we have different choices. We want to select the background. So as soon as we select this, it will automatically identify the background and will empty the space for you. So as you can see how perfectly it has removed the complete background from the edges and from all the corners. Okay, let's choose the background, and not only you can select the background, you can also define it with a prompt. So let's try to create the background with the help of prompt. Let's write a simple prompt that is jungle. And since the picture is very bright, we can write bright jungle, and it's a daytime so that it can perfectly blend with the picture. Click on generate, and we got some results, and we have a couple of options from which you can choose. As you can see, since the picture is bright, it has perfectly blend with the picture in the background. Let's click on more. This one doesn't look nice, so click on more and it will generate some more options for you. So this one is here, we have this, and we have this options. So we can grow with the previous ones as well. Let's say that we want to continue with this. We can click on keep, and then we can make some further changes. If you want to add something in the background or just simply want to download this, you can just download it from the top. Let's try something else. Let's click on select the background again, and it will again remove the background. And this time let's place him in the street of New York Times Square walking path. Let's hit enter, and as you can see, although it has placed some additional colors with our last editing in the photo, but it has done a pretty good job. It has placed him in such a way that it matches the background. Similarly, we can check a couple of other views and it has worked perfectly. Let's click on more, and this one is perfect, guys. This is too good. So let's keep this one. Let's click on keep and click on download. And this one is our final image. So obviously, if you want it to be a little bit better, what you need to do is whenever you are trying with something else, you need to upload this image again. Click on select background while making sure that you are in the insert view. And let's write Dubai street view. But we need to define something more like Burj Khalifa daytime, something like that, so that it can identify what to show in the background. But it hasn't done much, so we can keep with the earlier views. Obviously, you need to try different commands in order to get the proper results. So let's write Times Square, New York street view daytime, and this time we got these results. So I think this one is good. Click on download, and we can also click on more. So we have this options, this option, this option. You can go with any one of them, and let's now compare this. And we have this one as before, and this one is the after, this one is the after, and this one is the after. So you can use any one of them. And as you can see, it has done a pretty good job. And it's also just a single click away to remove the background. Let's try on another image. Let's upload this image. Let's click on select background, mountains view. Let's write that. And as you can see, it has done a great job here as well. It has completely changed the background. So you can choose any one of them which matches the overall brightness of the picture, and click on keep and download that. So from the busy streets, we have taken this picture to beautiful mountains. And this one is the after. Now let's compare. This one is the before and this one is the after. Obviously the colors doesn't match and we need a couple of editing, especially if you incorporate a Photoshop into the scene, you can easily match it with the picture background. So this is how you can easily remove the backgrounds from any picture using Adobe Firefly in a single click. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.